Hello students, myself Manoj Pandey of Mathematics class 12 from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Now today we discuss the questions related to the vector cross product. The vector cross product, vector A cross vector B equal to modulus of vector A into modulus of vector B sin theta into unit vector n. Vector A, vector B and unit vector n are perpendicular to each other and they are right-handed system. Vector A and vector B lie in a plane, then the unit vector n is perpendicular to the vector A and vector B. So, the vector A, vector B and unit vector n form a right-handed system. Now, related the exercise of the cross product of vectors. The question is find A cross B. Question number 1, find A cross B if vector A equal to I minus 7j plus 7k, I minus 7j plus 7k, k cap, I cap and j cap, and vector B equal to 3i minus 2j plus 2k, 3i minus 2j plus 2k, I cap, j cap and k cap. I, j, k are a unit vector in the direction of x axis, y axis and z axis. Show A plus B, vector A plus vector B, vector A plus vector B. Now we find the cross product of two vectors. We find the cross product of two vectors. Vector A cross vector B equal to. Now find the cross product with the help of determinant. We find the cross product with the help of determinant. I, j, k, 1 minus 7, 7, 3 minus 2 and 2. That's equal to I minus 14 plus 14 minus 14 plus 14. Clear? Minus j 2 minus 21 plus k minus 2 plus 21. I into 0 minus j minus 19 plus 23k. -2 plus 19k, and that's equal to 19j plus 19k, j cap k cap 19j plus 19k. Now the modulus of vector A cross vector B is equal to under root 19 square plus 19 square is equal to 19 under root 2 units, and 19 under root 2 units is the modulus of vector A cross vector B. Modulus of vector A cross vector B. Clear? Next question. Question number 2. Find a unit vector perpendicular to each of the vector A plus B and A minus B, where vector A equal to 3i plus 2j plus 2k, and vector B equal to I plus 2j minus 2k. First we find the vector A. Vector A, question number 2. Vector A equal to 3i plus 2j plus 2k, 3i plus 2j plus 2k, and vector B equal to I plus 2j minus 2k, I plus 2j minus 2k that find a unit vector perpendicular to the vector of A plus B and A minus B. First we find vector A plus vector B equal to 3i plus 2j plus 2k plus I plus 2j minus 2k is equal to 4i plus 4j, 4i plus 4j. This is the value of vector A plus vector B and vector A plus vector B, and vector A minus vector B is equal to 3i plus 2j plus 2k minus I plus 2j minus 2k, that's equal to 3i plus 2j plus 2k minus I minus 2j plus 2k is equal to 2i plus 4k, 2i plus 4k. Find vector A plus vector B cross product vector A minus vector B is equal to I j k 4 4 0 and 2 0 4 4 4 0 and 2 0 4. Now find I 16 minus 0 minus j 16 minus 0 plus k 0 minus 8 0 minus 8 is equal to 16i minus 16j minus 8k. 16i minus 16j minus 8k. Clear? Now see again. Vector A plus vector B cross product vector A minus vector B is equal to 16i minus 16j minus 8k. Find the modulus of A plus B cross product vector A minus vector B is equal to under root 16 square minus 16 square minus 8 square. 16 square 256 plus 256 plus 64 plus 64. Five 76, that's equal to 24. The modulus of vector A plus B cross product vector A minus vector B is equal to 24. A unit vector perpendicular to a unit vector perpendicular to vector A plus vector B, vector A plus vector B and vector A minus vector B, vector A minus vector B is equal to vector A plus vector B cross product vector A minus vector B upon modulus of vector A plus vector B cross product vector A minus vector B just equal to 16I minus 16j minus 8k upon 24 clear. Now 1 upon 24 16I minus 16j minus 8k equal to 2 by 3I minus 2 by 3j minus 1 by 3k. This is the unit vector perpendicular to the vector A plus B and vector A minus vector B. Clear? Question number 3 of a unit vector. Now the question number 3. A unit vector A make angle pi by 3 with I, pi by 4 with j and an acute angle theta with k. Then find theta and hence the component of vector A. We know that the vector A make angle alpha. We know that vector A makes angle alpha, beta, gamma with x, y and z axis. So cos square alpha, cos square beta, cos square gamma is equal to 1 and alpha equal to pi by 3, beta equal to pi by 4 and gamma equal to theta. So cos square pi by 3 plus cos square pi by 4 plus cos square theta equal to 1. Cos pi by 3 60 degree and the value of cos 60 1 by 2. 1 by 2 square plus 1 upon under root 2 square plus cos square theta is equal to 1. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 plus cos square theta equal to 1. Now cos square theta equal to 1 minus 1 by 4, 1 by 2 equal to LCM 4. 4 minus 1 minus 2 equal to 1 by 4 and cos theta equal to plus minus 1 by 2. Cos theta equal to plus minus 1 by 2. Clear? That's equal to cos theta equal to cos theta equal to 1 by 2, that equal to cos pi by 3. Cos pi by 3 and theta equal to pi by 3 and theta equal to pi by 3. So the vector A is equal to modulus of vector A cos alpha I cos beta j cos gamma k. Cos gamma k mod A equal to 1. Mod A equal to 1 cos pi by 3 I cos pi by 4 j cos pi by 3 k and 1 is equal to 1 upon 2i 1 upon under root 2j 1 upon 2k just equal to 1 upon 2i 1 upon root 2j 1 upon 2k. This is the value of vector A. This is the value of vector A and the component of vector A is 1 by 2, 1 upon root 2 and 1 by 2. This is the component of vector A 1 by 2, 1 upon root 2 and 1 by 2. Clear? Okay, thank you.